Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask with Uniswap. First, let's understand what each platform does. MetaMask is your digital wallet, keeping your Ethereum and other ERC20 tokens safe. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, where you can trade these tokens directly. Together, they create a powerful and secure way to manage your crypto assets and make swaps easily. Now let's get your wallet connected. Start by opening your MetaMask extension or mobile app and make sure you are logged in. Next, open your web browser and go to the official Uniswap website. Look for the Launch App button, then click Connect Wallet in the top right corner. A list of wallet options will appear. Simply choose MetaMask to link your wallet. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. After all that crypto trading, your car might need a refresh. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once connected, you're ready to swap. On the Uniswap interface, you'll see two drop-down menus. Select the token you want to sell and the token you wish to receive. Enter the amount you want to swap, and Uniswap will show you the estimated exchange rate. Review all the transaction details, including any fees, then confirm the swap in your MetaMask wallet when prompted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.